All right, friends, today for math, you are going to practice writing the standard form of a number that is shown to you with place value blocks. So here I've built a number using place value blocks, and I want to figure out what this number is and how to write it using standard form. So if I label how many I have of each type of place value block, then that's a good start. And if I put all those numbers together, they make a standard form. So I have 200s. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. If I put these numbers next to each other all together, they make my what we call standard form. This number in place value blocks is 246. Let's try another one. All right, if we want to write this number, we're going to start by labeling how many of each block we have, and then we'll put them together to make standard form. So I have 1, 2, 3 hundreds blocks. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 10 blocks. And I have 1, 2, 3 ones blocks. If I put these three numbers together to make standard form, I have 353. This is the standard form of my place value number. Now, in your assignment today, you're going to see sets of place value blocks built for you, very similar to these blocks. Then you need to count them, and you need to type the value, the standard form of those blocks.